Ambassador. Flora Street, it's Flora Street. Yes. This is way to Ambassador. This way to Tiger Hotel, Flora Street. Georgi, walk this way. And dog also. Hungry dog. Why close? Prime City Hotel. Main gate is closed. Yeah, my close hotel. Prime City Hotel is closed right now. Also Garden View closed. Garden View Hotel Red Horse also closed. Maxi Place. Sunview Hotel. Sun Moon Hotel. Barbecue. Soon open. Thai restaurant. Georgi, Thai restaurant. We can check later. They will open soon. Coffee shop, sorry, we are closed. Closed already. Breakfast. Интересно, how much breakfast in ABC? I don't know. Maybe free breakfast. Free maybe. Another. Empty, don't have people. Shabu Shabu also. Shabu Shabu. Shabu Shabu, it's Angel's Bakery. Breakfast. For what? Yellow flag, for what? I don't know. I don't know for what.
It means people, another tricycle to go here because one go away with passenger maybe.
Okay.
And here is space for another one. So
Okay.
you go stay here. Oh, tricycle, my friend.
Excuse me, what is this? Iced tea? Iced tea?
Iced tea.
How much? How much?
10 pesos. Delicious iced tea.
Without ice. Yeah, okay.
No ice.
No ice, yeah.
Because the ice is gonna be enter.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Oh, good iced tea. Georgi, iced tea, but we put inside some like mint, little bit mint. So taste is not same like iced tea in the, in restaurant. It's good iced tea, 10 peso only. Yeah, nice. Yeah, good iced tea. Corn also have, corn. How much corn?
35.
35 one pieces.
Yes. 35.
Okay, thank you. Okay, later, thank you. Every car open February 10. Renovation. I don't know, just open and renovation. Okay. Yeah, VSST is good. Not need 7-Eleven for you. What I not need? For rent already. Before, you remember, we sit before here. Indian, like Indian cafe. Already for rent. Georgi, are you veterans? Welcome, veterans. Veterans. It's only for veterans, yeah? Ah, good. Even not veterans, I also can?
Yes.
But because I'm not veteran.
You have as long you can pay your bills, why not? As long you can drink.
Okay, okay, thank you for information.
Oo, yung pampaka.
Okay. Georgi, not only for veterans. It's okay, you can.
Yes. Veterans. Because of women inside.
Old woman.
All women.
Maybe woman veterans, huh? Veterans in Angeles City. If you're tired, you can sit, Georgi. You can sit here if you're tired. And wait, jeepney. Joke. Maybe this way. Georgi. Laundry service also. Laundry service. Ah, it's good service. Georgi, 3 laundry service. Three, yeah. Oh, another one. Also laundry. This also laundry. So many laundry here. Oh. Livingstone International School. In Angeles City. Okay. Good. А вот is welcome delegates. Save the children Philippines. I don't know. Guys, I recommend it with lemon tea, with good. And taste lemon with mint. Very good tea. And 10 peso only. This guy sale near Tiger Hotel. We already in Georgi Sweets. Georgi, need change name. Georgi Sweets, okay?
Yes.
Today Shira in home. You can say thank you for watching. Joke only. Guys, thank you for watching. I will go to home. Shira will cook now. And I will eat at home. We go first to the market. In the market, in people's market. And we can buy meat, vegetable, all what we want, and she will cook for me, for us. Thank you for watching.